Good morning. I'm extra excited today. What do cat eye glasses and coffee and caravans have in common? Nothing really, unless you involve kitty cats. Later, we're going to see some more of these beauties. This week for Coffee and Caravan with Pam Finck, I chose the Hollywood Hills and West Hollywood because we have a special appearance for cats later on, and these open houses are near that location. Who knew that the day I wore my vintage 1940s cat-eye sunglasses that I inherited from my Aunt Marie, I would be touring old Hollywood, beautiful, glamorous home. You're going to love this tour. Hey, this is quite beautiful, legendary property. And we have here Realtor Bob Friday. Tell us a little bit, Bob, about this property. Hi, Bob.
Hi, I'm Bob Friday of Bulldog Realtors, and this property, you know how we always say that it's so special, it's so unique. Well, this one is. The legend is that this was built by William Randolph Hearst back in 1919, 1920 for his young starlet friend, Marion Davies.
Wow.
And she lived here for a year, and then she ended up pregnant, which was not a good thing for the girlfriend of a yellow journalist, a publisher.
Right, who's married, by the way.
So they shipped her off to Paris to have a child, and she never came back.
And what about the beach house?
Then, well, the beach house, he built that for her, and she was back and forth, back and forth.
Okay, so this is before that.
Yes.
Got a map here.
Okay, so now you're in the main house. And you should actually go up and see the bedrooms because the views of the lights and everything.
All right, what is this little bit of history?
So prior to the current owner, for 50 years, Henry Lovins and Mona Lovins ran the Hollywood Arts Center School out of this location. And this is some of Henry's art.
Beautiful. I am loving this property. I mean, this is in the middle of Hollywood. It has its own waterfall. You would never know. You're walking distance from Hollywood Bowl and just Hollywood near the Kodak Theater. And now we're on an adventure. A walkway up to where we can see the view of the Hollywood sign. Here's a lovely little bird's nest guest house. I am still on this property. Now I'm walking up to the lookout point where you can actually, there's an amphitheater on this property, and there are stairs where you can look out and see the Hollywood sign. This is the back side of the main house. Some views from the property. More road going up. I think these stairs lead to the amphitheater. Nope, this is the amphitheater, this way. Wow, your own personal private amphitheater on your property. Wow, and a view of the Hollywood sign. I do want to point out, we are in the middle of Hollywood. A very busy area, but when you're on this property, it doesn't feel like you're in a city. It feels like you're in your own private oasis. By Bob Friday. Real estate agent / professional photographer. open house I'm visiting is at 8312 Hollywood Boulevard, listed for $4.795. This property features 2 mid-century homes, and both of the entrances are on separate streets. Very unique.
Yeah. So I'll let you go around and do your thing.
Sure, thank you. The third open house I visited was located at 1351 North Crescent Heights, unit number 319, and it's listed for $799,000. You have to go down a hallway a little bit, but it's worth it because at the end you get all the views of the city from the living room and the bedrooms. Guess where we're going? That's right, Cat Cafe.
Welcome to Crumbs and Whiskers. We have 25 cats that are all rescued. They're all available for adoption and they're all ready for you to play with them. The cats with pink collars are girls, gray collars are boys. If they're not wearing a collar, it just means they don't like to wear one, so we don't make them. But we do have a cat with a checkered collar in the house today. That's our sassy collar. Just means she has a little bit of an attitude, so just be careful when you do play with her, okay?
That's Rowan. And sweet little Olivia, she's getting comfortable. Cute little checkered collar kitty. Hi. Well, how are you? I hear you're the little temperamental one with the checkered collar. Sweetie. Hello. Hello.
This is Marin. Marin's about 6 months old. She is a diluted calico. She actually has an application for her, so we're hoping that it goes through and that she gets to go to her forever home. She's super sweet. Everyone loves her. She's definitely a fan favorite. I mean, look at those eyes.
I hear you're the sassy girl. Are you the sassy girl? She's adorable. And which kitty do we have here?
This is Olivia. She's one of our newest kittens. Even though she's kind of big, she's only 5 months.
Oh,
and then we've also got her brother Rowan in the store, and the two
I
are
met
bonded.
him. He was like very feisty. He's cute.
Yeah.
So how many stores?
We have 2 stores. Our first one was a DC location, and so the
Awesome.
LA one is our second.
And how many cats have been adopted out of your 2 stores?
So combined, we've actually got the statistic right behind me. But
Oh
it's
my gosh,
yeah,
look at that.
1,614.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You guys are amazing.
Thank you.
I love this place. No better way to end a coffee and caravan day than with a coffee and a cat. Hello. Hi, Petey. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Are you getting comfy? Yeah. Good girl. How about that? Coffee and Caravan with Pam Finck meets coffee and cats. Yes, please. What are to see more of you today.